Can an AI really sell better than a human sales rep? I ran a 30-day experiment. I let an AI chatbot compete against my best salesperson. Same customers, same products, same questions. The results shocked me, and they might change how you think about customer service forever. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what happened, showing you the tool I used, the actual numbers, and whether AI can actually replace your support team. Fair warning, what you're about to see at the 3:47 mark will either excite you or terrify you. Let's see if robots really are taking our jobs. So here's how I set this up. I run an e-commerce store, and I have one really good salesperson. Let's call him Jake. Jake knows the products, he's great with customers, and he closes deals. But I kept hearing about this AI tool called Gorgias that supposedly handles customer questions and increases sales. So I thought, let's put it to the test. For 30 days, I split our customer conversations 50-50. Half went to Jake, half went to the Gorgias AI. Same types of questions, same products, same everything. The AI had access to all our customer data. Order history, browsing behavior, past purchases, just like Jake does. Both were competing on two metrics: response time and total sales generated. So what did the AI actually do during these 30 days? Two things: answer support questions and try to upsell customers. Let me show you a real example from day 12. A customer asked, "Do you have this running shoe in size 10? Jake would typically say, "Yes, we do. Here's the link." But the Gorgias AI, it said, "Yes, and I noticed you bought running socks last month. Want to grab our new moisture wicking pair? They're 15% off with your next order." That customer bought both. $140 order instead of $85. This happened over and over. All right, so after 30 days, here are the results. Response time: Jake, average 4 minutes. Gorgias AI, average 8 seconds. The AI was obviously faster, no surprise there. But here's the shocking part. Sales generated: Jake, human, $12,400 in sales. Gorgias AI, $18,900 in sales. The AI outsold Jake by 52%. How? It never missed an upsell opportunity. Every single conversation it checked. What else can I recommend based on this customer's history? Jake's great, but he's human. He gets tired, he forgets to upsell sometimes, he takes lunch breaks. The AI, 24/7, never forgets, always looking for the next sale. Now, does that mean you should fire your support team? No. Let me explain why. The AI is great for routine stuff: order status, return policies, product recommendations, basic troubleshooting. But Jake still wins on complex problems, angry customers who need empathy, custom requests, brand relationship building, the best setup, both working together. The AI handles the repetitive 60% of tickets. Jake handles the complex 40%. And when the AI isn't sure, it escalates to Jake automatically. That's what I'm doing now. And honestly, Jake loves it. So are robots taking our jobs? Not exactly, but they're definitely changing them. If you're running an e-commerce store and drowning in support tickets, Gorgias is worth checking out. Links in the description, they have a free trial. Fair warning, it's not cheap. Plans start around $60 a month, but if it's converting support chats into sales like it did for me, pays for itself. Now, if you want to see more AI tool tests like this, hit subscribe. I'm testing a new AI every week. Some are game changers, some are garbage. Drop a comment. What AI tool should I test next? And if you want to see how I automated my entire email marketing with AI, that video's right here. See you in the next one.